Hi friends, I'll show you how to clear cookies in Google Chrome on PC. Let's get started. Without delay, cookies are small files that websites save in your browser to remember your login, settings, and preferences. They can be useful, but sometimes they can also cause website problems. To clear cookies for all websites, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, then click Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data is selected. Choose your time range and click Delete Data. Now, if you want to remove cookies for only one specific website, click the three dots again and go to Settings. Then open Privacy and Security. Click Third-Party Cookies and select See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for the website name, then click the trash icon next to it. If you click Delete Display Data at the top, Chrome will remove all the site data currently shown on the screen. So, if you want to delete cookies for just one site, use the trash icon. Clearing cookies can help fix website issues, but it may also sign you out and reset some settings. Like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.